Are you ready to enhance your production efficiency, minimize downtime, and ensure impeccable product quality? CME Starch Trays are the ultimate solution for your confectionery needs. Designed with innovation and precision, our trays redefine standards for starch handling. Here's why CME is the preferred choice for leading confectioners worldwide. Unmatched durability. Our trays are constructed from cutting-edge composite materials that resist splintering, cracking, and wear. Outlasting traditional wooden trays by years, they withstand the rigors of high-speed production environments and keep your operation running smoothly. Superior dimensional stability, CME trays are engineered to maintain their shape under heavy loads and in varying conditions. This consistency ensures seamless integration with Mogul machines such as NID, Makat, and Winkler and Dunbier, boosting throughput like never before. No more sagging, warping, or uneven stacking. With CME trays, you can maximize storage space and enhance production stability, minimizing costly disruptions. Cleanliness is critical in food production, and CME trays deliver. Their smooth surfaces, contoured corners, and smooth edges prevent starch or moisture buildup, making them incredibly easy to clean. Plus, they're designed to meet FDA and EEC food contact standards for safety and compliance. CME starch trays are designed to perform at high speeds, improving overall efficiency without compromising on quality. Their precision engineering allows you to scale production effortlessly while maintaining exacting standards. With their extended lifespan and reduced need for replacement, CME trays offer significant savings. Plus, their eco-friendly design reflects a commitment to sustainability in confectionery manufacturing. Other products include gel capsule drying trays and chewing gum trays. Choose CME starch trays and experience the difference that quality and innovation can make. Whether you're expanding your production capacity, modernizing your equipment by gradually replacing timber with plastic trays, CME trays can integrate plastic and timber for a gradual replacement program. Contact us today.